everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So without any further information, let's move on to the video.
Today we will discuss about adverb. What is adverb? An adverb usually modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Modify means it adds or changes a verb, an adjective or adverb in any sentence. There are 4 ways in which adverb modifies or describes the verb or action performed by the subject. Firstly, how the action is performed. Secondly, where the action is performed. Thirdly, when the action is performed. And last, how often or frequent the action is performed. Let's move on to some examples where we will see how an action is performed. She is fully right. She ekdom thik. Here we can identify that she is right, but she is right fully. Fully is describing the manner in which she is right. Hence it is adverb. Fully বোঝাচ্ছে যে সে ঠিক কতটা ঠিক. Fully is adverb. He talked to her softly. We know that he talked to her. Softly is describing the manner in which he talked to her. Softly is an adverb here. As these adverbs are describing the manner in which the action is performed, they are called adverb of manner. Now we will move on to the next part, which is where an action occurred. The first example is I saw the man somewhere. Here we are telling that I saw the man, but at which place? By using somewhere, we are telling the place where I saw the man. So it is an adverb. আমি মানুষটাকে দেখেছিলাম. Somewhere use করে আমরা বলছি যে আমি কোথায় মানুষটাকে দেখেছিলাম. So somewhere is an adverb. The second example is travelers must take rest here. Travelers must take rest. But where should they take rest? Here they must take rest here. Here is an adverb because it is telling the location where the travelers must take rest. Here এখানে location বোঝাচ্ছে যেখানে ট্রাভেলার্সরা রেস্ট নিতে পারে. So here হলো এখানে adverb. Joy along with his friend is out. Joy তার বন্ধুর সাথে গেছে. Basically out is telling the location. So out is an adverb here. As these adverbs are describing the place where the action occurred, these adverbs are called adverb of place. The next category is when the action happened. We shall now read the text. Here we know that we shall read the text. But when shall we read? Now. So now is an adverb here. I wrote a letter yesterday. Here we know that I wrote a letter. But when I wrote it? Yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb here. As these adverbs are describing when the action is performed, they are called adverb of time. Let's move on to the fourth way. How often or frequent the action is happening. The first example is some men always speak the truth. Here we understand that some men speak the truth. But what is the frequency or how often some men speak the truth? Always. Some men always speak the truth. So always is adverb here. কিছু মানুষ সব সময় সত্যি কথা বলে. এখানে আমরা বুঝতে পারছি যে কিছু মানুষ সত্যি কথা বলে, কিন্তু সত্যি কথা বলার ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি কীরকম? সব সময়, অলওয়েজ. সো অলওয়েজ হলো অ্যাডভার্ব. দ্য সেকেন্ড এক্সাম্পল ইজ হি ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি গোজ টু দিল্লি. হিয়ার we know that he goes to Delhi, but how often he goes? Frequently. So frequently is adverb here. As these adverbs are describing the frequency of action, they are called adverb of frequency. Let's look into the adverb that describes adjective. He is very lazy. The adjective here is lazy. Which word describes the intensity of his laziness? Very. So very is an adverb describing the adjective lazy. Lazy হলো এখানে adjective. কতটা lazy? Very lazy. So very is adverb here. 8 is my most lucky number. Lucky is adjective and most is describing lucky. So most is adverb here. Now move on to some examples of adverbs that describe some other adverb in the sentence. Sudeep behaved so rudely. Here, how Sudeep behaved is described by adverb rudely, but so is describing the intensity of the adverb rudely. The Sikhs fought quite bravely. Here, bravely is adverb. Quite is describing the intensity of the adverb bravely. So, quite is an adverb and is describing another adverb bravely. শিখরা খুব সাহসের সাথে যুদ্ধ করেছিল। কতটা সাহস? খুব সাহস। কোয়াইট এখানে ব্রেভলিকে ডেসক্রাইব করছে। ব্রেভলি ইজ অ্যান অ্যাডভার্ব। কোয়াইট ইজ অলসো অ্যান অ্যাডভার্ব। একটা অ্যাডভার্ব আর একটা অ্যাডভার্বকে ডেসক্রাইব করছে। That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do comment and let me know if this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.